How to block Facebook calls. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to block Facebook calls. First of all, go to the Facebook Messenger application. You will see the person who called you. Now, go to the main menu and open up the settings. And then, scroll down until you find the Messenger application. Tap the Messenger application. And simply just disable the microphone and camera. So this will prevent us from accepting calls because it doesn't have any access to your camera or microphone. So that is exactly how you can block Facebook calls. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.